To replace a damaged card with BMO Bank, start by contacting the bank's customer service department. You can do this by calling the phone number on the back of your card or by visiting the BMO website to find the contact information. When you speak with a customer service representative, explain the situation and provide your account information to verify your identity. The representative will guide you through the process of canceling your damaged card and ordering a replacement. Next, you will need to confirm your mailing address to ensure the new card is sent to the correct location. If your address has changed, be sure to update it with the bank to avoid any delays in receiving your replacement card. Once your damaged card has been canceled and a replacement has been ordered, you can expect to receive your new card within 5 to 7 business days. In the meantime, you can use your account information to make transactions online or through the BMO mobile app. To activate your new card, call the phone number provided with the card or use the BMO mobile app. You will need to provide your card information and verify your identity to complete the activation process. After activating your new card, be sure to update any recurring payments or subscriptions with your new card information to avoid any missed payments. It is also a good idea to review your account activity regularly to ensure everything is in order, and to report any suspicious transactions to the bank immediately. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily replace a damaged card with BMO Bank and get back to managing your finances with ease. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure to prevent any potential issues with your account.